Srimad Bhagavatam Purana Katitham Sri Krishna Leela Amrutam. So what is Bhagavatam? It is said, and it has been narrated by Shuka Maharshi, the grandson of Vyasa Maharshi, with his blessings, to Parikshit Maharaj, who was in a great crisis. So he wanted to be completely a Bhagavata, the last person of the Pandava dynasty. And he was helped by Shuka Maharshi, and he became a Parama Bhagavatottama by listening to the stories of Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam Purana Katitham Sri Krishna Leela So all the Leelas of Krishna are taken as the Amrutam. Amrutam means that will make us eligible to become completely blessed and merge into Brahmaloka, which means that we don't need to be born again. We need not go through all these troubles and turmoils in the prapancham, because samsara is having multifarious positive and negative activities. But our mind will be so great that it will like more negativity than positivity. It likes more Uma gold than gold. So we will be committed to more sins, more problems, more troubles. To get rid of this, we have a number of rishis, including Bhagavan Krishna, to tell us the spiritual pathway, a sure measure through which we will be able to get emancipation. Because spiritual pathway is not very much attractive, but when you talk about the Leelas of Krishna, it itself is a paved way, because all people cannot be like rishis who sit with a great amount of pranayama shakti in them, who will not stir out from their respective tapobhumi, and who can focus their attention upon Paramatma with one or the other mantra. For example, Dhruva could make Narayana appear before him within 5 months of meditation, tapas, with just the mantra, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. And that mantra he recited, small boy, because he's very obedient to his mother and Guru, Narada. And so he was able to concentrate and then made Narayana to appear before him. So that is what is the spiritual knowledge. That is, you can only grow more when you are in seclusion. Otherwise, it is called far from the madding crowd. The madding crowd makes you miserable. When you are keeping yourself away, there is that. So one person, English poet by name Thomas Hardy, I believe, he has written a beautiful novel, Far from the Madding Crowd, so that you will be singularized and you will be able to focus on what you want to achieve. That's why Atma eva Guruhu Atmanaha Uddhared Atmana Atmanam Natmanam Avasadayet. He is the spiritual path. And even Vivekananda tells us, walk alone, lest you don't be disturbed others, and you are not disturbed by others. And your mind is the constant companion when you walk alone in the open area where there is a lot of herbal air and all that. So Parikshit Maharaj was really a sincere, diligent student to the Shuka Maharshi. And Shuka Maharshi brings in other Maharshis also into the narration scheme or narration flow, that not a single Rishi is responsible to elevate our mind. Because many Rishis have got many faculties of achievement and experience and spiritual heights. So they all try to share that in the Bhagavatam, so that Parikshit Maharaj becomes absolutely equipped with that spiritual knowledge. For example, we have got Narada Maharshi coming into, then Sukha Maharshi, then we have got Jamadagni, we have got Yama, we have got so many rishis are there. We can, it's best to enlist how many rishis are there or how many wisdom providers are there. Maitreya is there, then Sanat Kumara is there, Rudra is there, and Dhruva himself is there, Manu is there. So when we talk about these things, all these people are very great. Even the Devahuti is there, who comes in conversation directly with Bhagavan Krishna, which we have seen in the previous skandhas, in the Bhagavata Saptasati, compiled by our Guru, Smadavaram Subramanya Shastri. And now we have come up to the stage in Bhagavata Saptasati understanding journey, in Parayanam journey, that we have seen that the Hiranyakasipu has been done with. And Hiranyakasipu's brother Hiranyaksha was one who was killed. And Hiranyakasipu loved his brother too much. And therefore, even Hiranyakasipu also got into the same scheme, becoming an enemy to Krishna or becoming enemy to Vishnu. And you know, the target of these Rakshasas is not simply any kind of submission, but they want to destroy. The Narayana Shabdam should disappear and Hiranyakasipu Shabda should be eternal. That was the target of Hiranyakasipu. But Prahlada, own son of Hiranyakasipu, was really stubborn. Not only he got devotion to Vishnu, he wanted to all his classmates to turn to the Narayana Bhakti, not Hiranyakasipu Bhakti, and there came the crisis. So now I think we are in the 232nd sloka, where we have got some more knowledge to get. Actually, Yama comes and gives an idea that Paramatma Vishnu is all pervasive, present in every and everywhere. That is Yathanalo Arusha Bhinnayate, 231 sloka. Yathanilo Deha Gataha Prasakshitaha Yatha Nabhas Sarvagatam Na Sajjate Tatha Puvan Sarvagunastrayaha Paraha. It's a beautiful thought. See, all people, all good, bad, everything is endowed in human birth. Only the karma and many other factors determine the discretion, choice, experience, and practice to people. Puman Sarvaguna Sriyaha, Yama told, while creating the man, Puman, Paramatma has not got any lacuna done in that. There are no deficiency. Whatever is the property of a man, all that has been given to us. Simply to say something like the question paper. When the teacher gives the question paper to all the students ready for examination in the hall, the question paper is same, 100 marks, 6 questions, and choice and 3 hours. Like that, man also, when he is given birth, he is given sattva, raja, tamo gunas, and all the 24 dhatus, everything is there. But it is the Puman, it is a man who is the architect of his own destiny, his own lifestyles, his own fashioning of life, his own modeling of life. Therefore, Yama rightly said that Punyam and Papam, they are there with humans. Equal they are. But it is only the voting takes place. Some people like to do more Punyam, suppressing the Papam. Some people want to promote Papam, suppressing the Punyam. It is just like swimming in the water. In water, when you are swimming, if you want to float, you have to push the water down. That is Punyam. If you don't want to float, but you want to get inside the water, you have to lift the water up You have to make hands up. Then you will automatically get into the water. So these are the two measures to get sunk in the water, to get floating in the water. So that kind of truth is being in experience of everyone, Tom, Dick, Harry, and Mary, and everybody. But that's why then Yama said like that, Tatha Puman, sky, everywhere is the sky. Wherever you go, sky is there. Even in Las Vegas, they have created an artificial sky in a big shopping mall. You can't imagine whether you are in the outside the shopping mall or inside the shopping mall. And it was a great wonder. It's the intelligence of the man that he is able to create another duplicate, make-believe Akasham in the canopy of the large shopping mall in Las Vegas. Like that, here, Sarvagataha, Nabhaha, and Anilaha, Dehagataha, even the air inside our body stay, but the air inside the body is not the same at all. The prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana. And likewise, in the Agni, which is staying in all woods, is not the same. But the Agni's chief residence is there in the Aswatha Vriksha or Semi Vriksha. Say Aswathe te sadanam, Semi Vrikshayam te sadanam. See why Pandavas have deposited their weapons when they went for Ajnatavasa? Because they could trust the fire. Agni Deva is a highly trustworthy witness and protector and shield for anybody. If you make Agni Upasana, you are always safe. There is nothing that's not possible because Agnirvai Brahma is the Veda statement, is the Veda statement. And also, Ayurveda tells us Agnaye Nakaya Swaha. So Agni can rise up to the heavens and all nook and corner of the heavens where the gods have got their establishments and the dwelling places. Therefore, Agnaye Bruhate Nakaya Swaha. So Agni is such a powerful one, but he again gets divided himself into various kinds of wood also. So even wood is variant, but it is a content of the fire. Our body is also containing the air, but divided because it has got to be administered and managed and maintained. Single Vayu cannot maintain the body. We must want oxygen. We must want other Vayus also. That's why if oxygen level is less in heart, there is a problem. Therefore, Puman Sarva Gunasri. When all this talk and discussion went off, Yama, Narada, everybody, regarding the question posed by Parikshit Maharaja, that why there is a difference between X and Y and Z, P, Q, R. ఎందుకు డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది వీళ్ళలో యాకే డిఫరెన్స్ ఇదే ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ but blood is same in all people, but even the blood color is same, but there is a division of the blood. You got B, A, B plus, O plus, etc. But that makes the individual differentiated and open for infection or affection, like that. Now we go to the 232 sloka, wherein Sukha Maharshi has got to. That also we have read, but I just give you the gist of it before we go to 234. Evamrutaha shatadhrutihi hiranyakashipo atha pradat tattapasa prito varan tasya ashu durlabhan. Durlabhan varan asu dat pradat Brahmadeva. So he got to whom Hiranyakasipu got all Durlabha Varaha That too, Ashu, quickly, comparatively, Hiranyakasipu was a top-ranking tapasvi. And Brahmadeva was stunned to give cent% marks in the test of tapas doing. Therefore, Ma bhaishta vibhuda sreshta sarvesham bhadramastu maddarsanam hi bhutanam sarvasreyopapattaye. But still, Paramatma gave another assurance. Hey vibhuda sreshta, O best of all gods, Ma bhaishta, don't be afraid, don't be scared, kashtapadakandi. And Vaha Bhadram Astu, మీకందరికి కూడా భద్రము, కళ్యాణము, ఆనందము, ఉత్సాహము, మోక్షము కలగని. For the word Bhadra in Sanskrit, we have innumerable meanings. And so take it as a Bhadram Astu. And Bhutanam Maddarsanam Sarvasreya Upapattaye. If all Bhutas, whether A, B, C, D, వాళ్ళకందరికీ నేను కనిపించాను, నన్ను చూశారు, నా దర్శనం అయింది అంటే వాళ్ళకంతా చెప్పనటువంటి శ్రేయస్సు కలుగుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ శ్రేయస్? శ్రేయస్ ఈజ్ మోక్షం. దట్స్ వై కృష్ణ అర్జున ధర్మరాజా asked Bhishma, what is that dharma adopting, practicing which all people become శ్రేయోవాన్స్? శ్రేయోవాన్, శ్రేయస్సు వస్తుంది. శ్రేయస్సు అంటే దట్ విచ్ విల్ బి సెక్యూర్డ్ ఫర్ హిమ్, ఆ సెక్యూరిటీ వస్తుంది అని చెప్పేసి ఒక పక్క దేవతలకి, ఇంకొక పక్క రావణ హిరణ్యకశిపునికి వరదలు ఇచ్చేశాడు. నౌ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ యూ మస్ట్ ఇమాజిన్ బిట్వీన్ 232 and 233 హియర్ ఇన్ భాగవతం ఒరిజినల్ సెవరల్ శ్లోకాస్ అండ్ నాలెడ్జ్ వెంట్ అప్. So ultimate knowledge has been given in these two slokas. That way, the chain making or linking by our Guru Shastri Garu is so great that we don't lose any connection in between. We don't feel lacuna. Ayo, enaitu yemaindi intaku mundu ane tonti ledu. Now we go to 234. Madhava avare heli. Sri Sukavavacha. Kulkarni. Or illa. Anyway, Chapama. Evam labdhavaro daityo.
Sri Sukavavacha. Evam labdhavaro daityo. Evam labdhavaro daityo.
Vibhradeham devamayam vapuh. Sorry, hemamayam. Vibhradhemayam vapuh.
Vibhradhemayam vapuh. Vibhradhemayam vapuh.
Bhagavatchakaro dvesham.
Bhagavatkaro dvesham. Bhagavatkaro dvesham.
Bhraturvadhamanusmaran.
Bhraturvadhamanusmaran. Bhraturvadhamanusmaran.
So ಈ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೇಳಿ ಬಾಬು. ಜ್ಞಾತಂ ಏತಸ್ಯ.
ಜ್ಞಾತಂ ಏತಸ್ಯ. ಜ್ಞಾತಂ ಏತಸ್ಯ.
ದೌರಾತ್ಮ್ಯಂ.
ದೌರಾಭ್ಯಂ. ದೌರಾಭ್ಯಂ.
ದೈತೇಯಾ ವಶದಸ್ಯ ಯತು.
ದೈತೇಯಾ ಪಸದಸ್ಯತು. ದೈತೇಯಾ ಪಸದಸ್ಯತು.
ತಸ್ಯ ಶಾಂತಿಂ ಕರಿಷ್ಯಾಮಿ.
ತಸ್ಯ ಶಾಂತಿಂ ಪರಿಷ್ಯಾಮಿ. ತಸ್ಯ ಶಾಂತಿಂ ಪರಿಷ್ಯಾಮಿ.
ಕಾಲಸ್ತಾವತ್ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷ್ಯತಾಂ.
ಕಾಲಸ್ತಾವತ್ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷತಾಂ. ಕಾಲಸ್ತಾವತ್ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷತಾಂ.
ಸವಿಜಿತ್ಯ ದಿಶಃ ಸರ್ವಾಃ ಲೋಕಾಃ ಲೋಕಾಂಶ್ಚ.
ಸವಿಜತ್ ದಿಶಾಃ ಸರ್ವಾಂ ಲೋಕಾಶ್ಚ. ಸವಿಜತ್ಯ ದಿಶಾಃ ಸರ್ವಾಂ ಲೋಕಾಂಶ್ಚ.
ತ್ರೀನ್ ಮಹಾಸುರಃ.
ತ್ರೀನ್ ಮಹಾಸುರಃ. ತ್ರೀನ್ ಮಹಾಸುರಃ.
మనుష్యేంద్రాన్
దేవాసురమనుష్యేంద్రాన్
గంధర్వ గరుడోరగాన్
గంధర్వ గరుడోరగాన్
తపోగ్రదండ సంవిఘ్నా సర్వే
తపోగ్రదండ సంవిచ్చాత్ సర్వే
లోకా సపాలకాః
లోకా సపాలకాః
అన్యత్రా లబ్ధ శరణాః
అమ్యత్తాలబ్ధశరణాః
శరణం యయురచ్యుతం.
శరణం యయురచ్యుతం.
సరస్వతి, ఆ విశ్వంకి నేను పోస్ట్ చేశారా కాపీలు 2?
ఎవరికండి?
ఆ విశ్వం అని అనంతపురంలో ఉన్న ఆయనకి
మీరు అడ్రస్ ఇయ్యలేదా నాకు?
అడ్రస్ మీకు ఫార్వర్డ్ చేశానమ్మా. అది ఎక్కడో ఉంటుంది మీ వాట్సాప్ లోపల. మళ్ళా చేస్తున్నా.
ప్లీజ్ చేయండి. అప్పుడు పంపించే ఎన్ని కాపీ పంపించవలా?
యా, ఎందుకంటే ఆయన మేడం సుబ్రహ్మణ్య శాస్త్రి తాను చిన్నవాడిగా ఉన్నట్టు అప్పుడు బాగా తెలుసు ఆయనకి. సో ఆయనకి 2 కాపీలు పోస్ట్ చేయమని చెప్పండి. చేయండి.
మీరు అడ్రస్ పంపిస్తే నేను రేపు పంపిస్తాను. కొన్ని
పంపిస్తాను ఆయనకు. తర్వాత ఏమో ఇంకొక అడ్రస్ ఉంది, సెంట్రల్ ఏజెన్సీ ఢిల్లీలో. వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఒక కాపీ పంపించాలి. 3 కాపీలు.
సార్ మీరు పంపించండి.
శశి తివారికి కూడా పంపించాలి. 3-4 అడ్రస్ ఇస్తాను, అది పంపించండి అమ్మా.
ఓకే సార్. నేను మరి కొన్ని బుక్స్ నేను దీలో ఉండి ఎత్తుంటానండి. నా దగ్గర అయిపోయింది.
పూజారి దగ్గర చెప్పారు, పూజారి గారికి ఆవిడ వచ్చి తీసుకుంటారని. సో యూ కెన్ టేక్ సమ్ మోర్ కాపీస్. ఐ ఆల్సో టోల్డ్ టు కీప్ కాపీస్ ఇన్ ఒక 5 కాపీలు రాయగూడ టెంపుల్లో పెట్టమని చెప్పాను.
ఓకే అండి.
వాళ్ళ లైబ్రరీలో పెడితే, వాళ్ళ బుక్ స్టాల్లో పెడితే తీసుకుంటారు. బట్ చెప్పేసి పెడితే బాగుంటుంది. ఐ ఆస్క్డ్ పూజారి టు డూ ది జాబ్.
ఓకే అండి, సరే అండి. మీరు అడ్రస్ పంపించండి, పంపించిస్తాను.
పెట్టిస్తాను. సో ఆ పుస్తకాలు చాలా మనం ఉన్నంత వరకు వాడదాం, తర్వాత నేను అమెజాన్లో పడేస్తాం.
ఓకే అండి.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంకోటి, వీఆర్ నాట్ వరీ టు మేక్ మనీ ఫ్రమ్ దట్.
లేదండి, అది ఏమింటే మీరు ఓకే అని చెప్తారంటే మీ షీ విల్ స్టార్ట్ డూయింగ్ లైక్ యూనో.
ఓకే చెప్పాను, చేసుకోపోలేనండి. బట్ ఏంటంటే ఆ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ అది కావాలి. ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర ఏమీ లేదు. ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ అనుకుంది కదా. అది ఐఎఫ్సి కోడ్ కావాలి కదా. బట్ నాకు ఐ డి నాట్ బ్రింగ్. We never imagined we come so long in America.
Yes, correct.
Anyway, so అటు చేద్దరు మర్చిపోయాను. అండ్ ఈవెన్ కమల గారికి కూడా కాపీ పెట్టాను. షీ ఈస్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ అట్లాంటా, వెరీ సిన్సియర్ విష్ణు భక్తురాలు అవ్వడ.
You have sent, you have given.
I posted, I mean, I'm sending one copy to her also.
Oh, great.
But she has to send the address to me.
Meena actually has given around 10 copies, I think 5 or 6 copies to the temple itself.
Very good. మీరు ఏమైనా ఎక్కువ కాపీలు కావాలంటే ఆ పూజారి తెలుసు, బికాజ్ యూ డోంట్ గివ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాపీస్. అండ్ ఆ తర్వాత చూద్దాం. ఇక దిస్ బుక్ ఈజ్ వెరీ అనంతపూర్కి ఆ తర్వాత విశ్వంకి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఈమె ఆస్క్ మోర్ కాపీస్. ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్. He has circulated the information of the publication of this to all his groups. That Vishwam.
Okay.
Now let us go with this text. So now what happened? Shuka is continuing. What happened when Hiranyakasipu got all boons from Brahmadeva? You know, Brahma is a highly mischievous fellow, according to Vishnu. కొంతమందికి అథారిటీ ఇచ్చారంటే దాన్ని మిస్యూజ్, ఓవర్ యూజ్ చేసేస్తారు. తర్వాత ప్రాబ్లంలో పడి హయ్యర్ అప్స్కి వెళ్తారు. అయ్యో నా చేత కాకుండా అప్పుడు ఇచ్చేసాను, అది అయిపోయింది అని దే విల్ జస్ట్ టాక్ అబౌట్ లైక్ దట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ది ప్రాబ్లం. ది ప్రాబ్లం ఈస్ దట్ సమ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ దేర్ హూ ఓవర్ యూజ్ దేర్ పవర్ అండ్ అథారిటీ. చూసుకుందాంలే, మనం చేసేస్తామని అట్లాంటి కేటగిరీలో బ్రహ్మదేవుడు ఉన్నాడు అనిపిస్తుంది మనకు. అందుకే నరసింహస్వామి బ్రహ్మదేవుని తిట్టుతాడు. నాయన నీకు ఇచ్చిన పవర్ని జాగ్రత్తగా క్రియేషన్ చేసి వితిన్ ద క్రియేషన్ you must be able to support at the same time annihilate. See that the balance and administration of the creation is maintained by you only. Please don't outsource your powers. Look, I have come with a lion head, human body. You don't know how hard it is to hold. అని చెప్పి బాగా అంటే అప్పటి నుంచి మానవుడు మానవుడినే స్నప్ చేయడానికి అవతారాలు ఎత్తవలసి వచ్చింది. So the 6 avatars are Manava avatars of Vishnu to cull down the Dushta Rakshasas all through the time. But Hiranyakasipu was the last bit on the last straw on the camel's back, which made Vishnu to come back with animal head. Now let us know the meaning. See, Daityaha, Saha Daityaha Hiranyakasipu, Labdhavaraha, he got the boon like that, and he developed Hemamayam Vapuhu. Hemavayam means a very, very, very strong, attractive, powerful, and valuable body. Then he just picked up Bhagavati Dvesham Makaroto. He just picked up enmity from the Bhagavan, Krishna. Why he picked up why he picked up enmity with Narayana? Actually, Hiranyakasipu has nothing to do with Vishnu. But because Hiranyaksha, his brother loved, was killed, he picked up. See, akarodvesham is important. He has no dvesham at all, basically. Andike, all people are always given equal opportunities in the world. But the opportunities are being chosen and misused or abused because of their mind status. అందుకే మైండ్ని కంట్రోల్ చేసుకో, మైండ్ డిసిప్లైన్ చేసుకో, యోగం పట్టుకో అని కృష్ణ అండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి విల్ సే, ఆల్ యోగాచార్యాస్ విల్ టెల్ యూ, ప్లీజ్ అరెస్ట్ యువర్ మైండ్, ప్లీజ్ ఎంటీ యువర్ మైండ్, ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైండ్, కంట్రోల్ యువర్ బ్రెత్. ఇవే వాళ్ళు చెప్పారు. క్లోజ్ యువర్ ఐ. సో వెన్ యూ క్లోజ్ యువర్ ఐ, యూ బికమ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది అట్మాస్ఫియర్. యూ ఆర్ అలోన్. బట్ in case of Hiranyakasipu, I don't want yoga class to take place here. So Dvesham Makarot, he became inimical. And why? He always remembered his brother Hiranyaksha, not Vishnu. So Anusmaran Bhratuhu Vadham. Look at this Vishnu. He killed my brother. He killed my brother. So that was the only ringing sound in his ears and mind. Then he started his Dauratmyam Gnatam Etasya. When he remembered the death of his brother, then the wicked mind, Dauratmyam is the wicked mind, the wicked temperament of this Rakshasa became really rampant in him. So then he determined in second line, Tasya, that is my brother Hiranyakshasya, Shanting Karishyami. I am going to please my Hiranyaksha brother by killing the enemy who killed him. And by that, how I cannot kill immediately Vishnu, I had to find him out. I had to fight with him. So for all that, what would be the gap? Time gap is there. So I had to kalastavat pratikshatam. Let us wait upon the time of maturity that I will be able to put off that. The kala is a very interesting factor in everybody's life. We have to wait for the time. We have to wait for the maturity of time. We have to wait for the occurrence of time. And therefore, it is said, Kalaya Tasmai Namaha. Anta Kaludiki Namaskaramu. Another point is Kalo Jagat Pakshakaha. Who is this time? Time is the universal engulfer of everybody in the nature. Kaludu andarni tinestadu, whether X or Y or Z, no consideration. Rushulaina, Durmargulaina, తపస్సులైనా ఎవరెవరైనా ఏమైనా కూడా అందరినీ తినేస్తాడు. దట్స్ వై when a question was put for Shiva, ఏనయ్యా నీవు ఇంత పెద్ద ఐశ్వర్యము, పార్వతి ఆదిశక్తి స్వరూపిణి, నీ భార్య, నీవు మహా కైలాస పర్వతంలో రెసిడెన్సు, నీవు మహాయోగి, ఇన్ని క్వాలిఫికేషన్స్ పెట్టుకొని, with all these qualifications, why at all you chose to be a resident of this Mashanam or graveyard? What attraction is there for you to choose such a typical job there to be a waiter in this Mashanam or graveyard? Then Shiva told, yes, I liked it because when I am in the land, I have got all different people with different behavior, with different punya papas and all that. I cannot trace them. But if I am in graveyard, whatever be their activity and atrocity or happiness or punyam, while they are living in the samsara samudram, they all die. When all they die, they come to me so that I can have the look at those people. Look at this fellow, he was a great scholar. Look at this fellow, he was a great warrior. Look at this fellow, he was a great rich man. Look at this fellow, he was a highly proud, hopeless fellow. Like that. So all people, whatever sentiment, whatever achievement, whatever qualification, whatever they've done, all that will go away. That's why every knowledge, every expertise, every technological, everything dies with him only. And there cannot be a second person of his order. So every individual is a style. Every individual is a fashion. Every individual is great. Therefore, నాలాగా ఇంకోరు ఉండాలి, నా నాలెడ్జ్ ఇంకోరు రావాలి అనుకోవడం శుద్ధ మోసం. Because no child can follow his father or mother totally. Every child has its own style and margam. Especially today is the Children Day. 14th November is declared as a Children's Day. And imagine the children from generation to generation, that kind of obedience, faithfulness, etc. are not there now in the children. And parents also can't depend upon children, and children would not depend upon. But it is a day for children to enjoy the whole time. Like that, here also he went on, because they are so close brothers, he went on. But Hiranyakasipu is an exceptional fellow who had absolute love for his brother. So much love that he wanted to risk his life by becoming an enemy for the Mokshakaraka Mahavishnu. మోక్షాన్ని ఎవరిస్తారో వాడితోనే ఎనిమిటీ పెంచుకున్నారంటే it is not an easy joke. But Hiranyakasipu is top ranking enemy. Therefore, Shantim karishyami kalaha pratikshatam. I can't immediately go. Actually, Hiranyakasipu visited Vaikuntham in Narayaniyam. Bhattatari tells, in Bhagavatam, Vyasa Bhagavan tells that however number of times that Hiranyakasipu went to Vaikuntham, the place of Vishnu, he always found the outboard. Though they're in and out, there was always outboard. And later on, Vishnu Hiranyanasimha Swami told Brahmadeva and other gods, how is that you are not available in Vaikuntham? Any time that Hiranyaka visited, then Vishnu said, the secret is I just took my residence in the heart of Hiranyakasipu. Therefore, in spite of his all atrocities and Dauratmyam, I had to grant him the moksha. So that is what. So Kalaha pratikshatam. Pratikshatam means wait upon the time process. Because Kalam uchyantavaraku you cannot. In fact, wonderful. In an international conference which took place in the Tagore Nagar in Bangalore, what was that called? RB Tagore Nagar edu kada layout, and in that some Swamiji's Bhavan. See, there was my paper and some 2 people were there to read present. In that session, a chairman was a foreigner, maybe anybody, and each one was allotted 20 minutes to present their paper. Before our names, 2 people were absent. So he simply spent 40 minutes wastefully, not allowing the other fellow to read the paper. I asked him, no, sir, this is the time given for those people. Whether or not they come, the time will go to them only. So pratikshanta, until it becomes 10:40 or some such, you will not be allowed to present your paper. Look at that kind of Hiranyakasipu temperament in that chairman of that session in the conference. Like that, some people are like that. They are, even Anjaneya also tells Sita Devi, Amma, don't too much become sad and lose yourself. You must live to see Rama. Please allow me that much jumping travel time from your feet to Rama's feet. The moment I reach Rama's feet, we come back to you and kill Ravana and take you. Kalaha pratikshatam, tavat kalam pratikshatam. So, ఈ కాలుని గురించి there is a large literature and thought for such. In Atharvaveda we got Kala Suktam, and in all Puranas we got important. Kalaha karanam, tatra kim karanam? Why delay? Kalaha tatra karanam. That's why Krishna, that Hiranyakasipu tells tells whom? The children of Hiranyaksha. The Hiranyaksha children were so sad that their father was killed by a Raksha, by a Vishnu, and therefore as a uncle, Chikapa, he went and consoled the children of Hiranyaksha, saying that don't worry, he is my brother, not only your father. So I am going to redeem and going to kill them. And then the process begins in 236 sloka. Savijitya dishaha sarvaha vijitya lokaha Trin Mahasuraha Deva Asura Manushya Indran Gandharva Garuda Uragan Tapaha Ugradanda Samviknaha Sarve Lokaha Sapalakaha Anyatra Adaptaranaha Saranam Yayu Achyutam. So who are the people whom Hiranyakasipu conquered? Is a question. Our NCP Nath has prepared 154 questions from Bhagavad Gita posed by different people and prepared answers by Krishna to all of them. A beautiful article he has prepared, and that we are going to, I believe, publish in the Vedaganga volume 27. Then it will be open for all people. Here also, he won over the quarters, 10 quarters. He won over the lokas, all the regions, 14 lokas, Chaturdasha Bhuvanaha, and Devasu, gods, Rakshasasu, Manushyas, and Indran, Manushyendran, is it not? So not one Indra is there, there are several Indras are there. And there are so many regions, all are there, the governors of the respective states. See, all governors are the kings of the state, and the super king of the entire country is the president of the country. So there are Samantaraja and Chakravarti. Like that here, Manushya, Indran, and again Gandharva, and Gandharvas, Garuda, Uragan. All the Garuda clan, all the Uragas are Sattvas, Nagas. And Tapaha Ugradandam, those people who are highly powerful because of their parents. Even parents makers could not operate upon Hiranyakasipu because they don't want to spend their tapobalam upon them. Saraswati, example ఏమమ్మా చెప్పగలవా?
ఏమండి?
తపోబలం ఖర్చు పెట్టకూడదు అనుకున్న మహర్షుల్లో ఒక్క మహర్షి పేరు చెప్తారా మీరు? తెలియదు. For example, I will prompt the answer. విశ్వామిత్రుడు తాటకిని వాళ్ళని తాను తన తపోబలంతో చంపగలడు కదా. And he doesn't want to kill Tataki. He wanted Rama, Lakshmana to kill them. The answer given by Vishwamitra to Dasaratha Maharaja is that I don't want to expend my tapophalam to kill these Rakshasas. I want Rama Then Dasaratha told, no, I will come and fight with them. Then Vishwamitra says, no, you are hopeless. You cannot kill them. Only Rama, Lakshmana are destined to be the killers for that Rakshasi. కాబట్టి అట్లా తప ఉగ్రదండ సంవిఘ్న అంటే తమ తమ తపస్సును హిరణ్యకశిపుని చంపడానికి ఇష్టపడని వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. There are people who want a result but they cannot employ themselves to achieve that result. And there is one proverb in English. ఏమంటమ్మా జ్ఞాపకం ఉందా? లేదు, జ్ఞాపకపెట్టుకోండి. You take down the notes. A cat on the adage antar English lo proverb. The cat sitting upon the bank of a river keeps on watching the fish. It wants to catch the fish and eat the fish. It loves it. Chapal తీసుకొని తిందాం అనిపిస్తుంది, కానీ what is the desire? It doesn't want to wet his paw. తన పాను పంజాని తడి చేయడం ఇష్టంలా. పంజాన్ని తడి చేస్తే కానీ అంటే unless it keeps the paw into the river water flowing, it will not catch the fish. So the cat on the adage means it wants to eat the fish, but it doesn't want to wet its paw. అట్లా ఉంటుందన్నమాట. అట్లా అటువంటి వాళ్ళను కూడా ఆయన కంట్రోల్ చేసి హిరణ్యకశిపుడు ultimately they had no go but go to Narayana and Saranam Prapadye. They all went to Vishnu and said, sir, we are not able to stand the atrocity, the punishment and the treatment and the himsa which Hiranyakashipu is doing for us. So please, please, please protect me. Ani Kamala ani antaru. Appudu for that now the idea comes. Kamala garu chaptara యదా మీ దగ్గర పుస్తకం లేదండి, మిమ్మల్ని వదిలేస్తాను. సో ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ అగైన్ సరస్వతి టు రిపీట్. సరస్వతి ప్లీజ్ రిపీట్. యదా 238 శ్లోక. యదా వేదేషు దేవేషు
యదా వేదేషు దేవేషు యదా వేదేషు దేవేషు
గోషు విప్రేషు సాధుషు
గోషు విప్రేషు సాధుషు గోషు విప్రేషు సాధుషు
ధర్మే మయి చ
ధర్మే మయి చ ధర్మే మయి చ
విద్వేషః
విద్వేషః విద్వేషః
తవ ఆసు వినశ్యతి
సభ ఆశు వినశ్యతి సభ ఆశు వినశ్యతి
తస్య దైత్యపతేః పుత్రాః
తస్య దైత్యపతేః పుత్రాః తస్యై దైత్యపతేః పుత్రాః
చత్వారః పరమాద్భుతాః
చత్వారః పరమాద్భుతాః చత్వారః పరమాద్భుతాః
ప్రహ్లాదో భూన్మహాంస్తేషాం
ప్రహ్లాదో భూన్మహాన్ తేషాం ప్రహ్లాదో భూన్మహాన్ తేషాం
గుణైర్మహదుపాసకః
గుణైర్మహదుపాసకః గుణైర్మహదుపాసకః
ఆసీనః పర్యటన్నస్నన్
ఆసీనః పర్యటన్నశ్నన్ ఆసీనః పర్యటన్నశ్నన్
శయానః ప్రపిబన్ బ్రువన్
శయానః ప్రపిబన్ బ్రువన్ శయానః ప్రపిబన్ బ్రువన్
నానుసందధా
నానుసందథా
ఏతాని గోవింద పరిరంభితః
ఏతాని గోవింద పరిరంభితః ఏతాని గోవింద పరిరంభితః.
So look at this. I have given the topic for our annual day of the Kendra, that these epics are the sources for spiritual knowledge, problem solving and happiness. Saraswati is preparing a beautiful paper, at least 3-4 pages on Bhagavad Saptasati, and this will be useful for her because spiritual knowledge and problem solving. Now, Vishnu is giving the clue how to solve the problem. So, Yada Veda, now Vishnu is telling, Amarnath, I think I put the Bhagavad Saptapadi soft copy in the Nada Veda group and in our Veda group. If you are able to download or take it, you will have it. For hard copy, when you go to India, I will give you the copy. It is not here. I'm talking to Amarnath. So that copy is there. You can just make use of it. You. Now look at it. The solution is Dharme mayi cha vidveshaha sava asu vinasyati. Anybody who is having hatred or enmity with two things, Dharma and Paramatma. Dharma, they behave the truth, and Pati is Vishnu. So they would Paramatma. If these two people are not loved, respected, worshipped, they are all Vinasyati Asu. They all will die very quickly. They will not be better. Not only in me and Dharma, Vedeshu, Deveshu, Goshu, Vipreshu, Sadhushu. In Vedas, in gods, in cattle, in Brahmana, Vaisya, Kshatriya, Sudras, and Vipreshu, in Brahmins, and Sadhushu, the saints. The saints, philosophers, and rishis, all these spiritual men, that are called spiritual men, వాళ్ళ మీద కోపం చేసుకుంటూ ద్వేషం పెంచుకున్నామంటే మనకేమీ నష్టం లేదనుకోకూడదు, చచ్చిపోతాం. సో అండ్ ధర్మాన్ని కూడా పాటిస్తూ అండ్ నన్ను నమ్ముకోవాలి. మయ్యర్పిత మనోబుద్ధి మత్పరః. అండ్ కృష్ణ ఇన్ ఆల్ త్రూ ది భగవద్గీత, where he spoke for 574 slokas, he went on teaching yoga. He went on clubbing the idea that all our actions should be directed in remembrance of Paramatma. That's exactly what again Vishnu told in 240 slokam also, which we are going to read now. And now in 239, Tasya Daityapatehe Putraha Chatvaraha Paramatmutaha. That Hiranyakasipu had 4 sons, Khlada, Viklada, and ultimately Prahlada. The 4th son is called Prahlada, a name suggested by Narada. When Leelavati, his wife, delivered a baby in an ashrama, in Vrishyasrama, and Hiranyakasipu was so excited when he got the last boy, and when Narada suggested, Yem Pettali Peru Yutiki, what Haladudu, Vikladudu, Inkugana, all 4 sons are having the Khlada Sabda in their names. Khlada means Asantosham. That's why when you read Saundarya Lahari, what are you getting into you? Akhlada Lahari and Sankaracharya Chepesar. Saundarya Lahari, Ananda Saundarya Lahari, Ananda Lahari, Saundaryananda Lahari, ఇవన్నీ పరమానంద లహరి, ఇవన్నీ చెప్పిన తర్వాత మనకేమొస్తుంది అన్నప్పుడు ఆచార్యులు చెప్పారు, ఏమంటయ్యా ఎవరు చదువుకుంటే వాళ్ళకి ఏమొస్తుందండి? ఆహ్లాద లహరి. ఆహ్లాదర్ అంటే కంటిన్యూస్ హ్యాపీనెస్. ఆ స్టాండ్స్ ఉపసర్గ ఇన్ సాంస్క్రిట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఆహ్లాద ఈజ్ కంటిన్యూస్ హ్యాపీనెస్. కంప్లైంట్ లేకుండా ఎప్పుడు చూసినా కూడా సంతోషంగా ఉండడమే ఆహ్లాదం. దట్స్ వై ఎవ్రీబడి అడ్వైజెస్ be happy, and then only you will be really great. That's why ఆహ్లాద లహరి. Please remember, mark your date on 5th December. We have got a talk on Saundar Lahari and this, from its application and experience point of view, the Saundarya Lahari from an Upasaka by name Arulalan. He has done 20th stanza of Saundarya Lahari for more than 1 lakh times recited. He performed Homa, Soundarlari Homa, Lokarpanam with 108 dravyas where Ammavaru appeared in the after Purnavati. So please mark your date. That will be on at 7 o'clock on Sunday, 5th December. And you can, so here you got that Prahlado Bhut Mahantesham Gunaihi and Mahadupasakaha. So why Maharaj Prahlada has become a great spiritual leader, spiritual master, and a victor in the spiritual path. Jayi. ఎందుకు నరసింహస్వామి అన్ని రకాలుగా కాపాడాడు. వై నరసింహస్వామి ఇస్ గ్రేట్ అంటే నరసింహ సహస్రనామంలో వస్తుంది ధీరః ప్రహ్లాద పాలకః అని వస్తుంది. నరసింహస్వామి ఈజ్ ద టాప్ ర్యాంకింగ్ సోల్జర్ అండ్ బోల్డ్ వెలరస్ పర్సన్. శత్రువు యొక్క కొడుకును రక్షించాలి అంటే ఎంత ధైర్యం ఉండాలి చూడండి మీకు. అంటే నీ శత్రువు కొడుకును రక్షిస్తూ ఉంటే శత్రువు ఇంకా ఇంకా ప్రకోపం చెంది ఉద్ధృతాన్ని చెంది తన కొడుకును చంపేయాలి అనుకుంటాడు కదండి. He wants to kill Prahlada, not able to stand the behavior, conduct, influence and etc. of Prahlada. But who is this great Prahlada? Ante Mahan. He was a great Mahan Prahladaha, Bharat Mahan. So like that we say Mahan Prahladaha. How he is Mahan? You know all how our Mahabharata, our Bharat is Mahan because we say Sujalam, Supalam, Malayaj Sitalam, Sasya Syamalam, etc. This is why we call our Bharat, India, as Great India. అమెరికాలో అందరూ గ్రేట్ అన్నారు. ఈ గ్రేట్ శబ్దం చాలా యూజ్గా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. కానీ మన ఇండియాలో మాత్రం ఈ గ్రేట్ అనేది మహాన్ అనేది చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా విషయాలు చూసి ఆ మహాన్ శబ్దాన్ని ప్రయోగం చేస్తారు. అది మన ఇండియా. Outside India, I don't know, it will be used very loose and not with real sense and all that. So Mahan Prahladaha. Why do you call his Mahan? Because Gunaihi, Gunamulu, 32 Gunamulu kala Ramuni Pujintumurare. Tyagaraja makes a wonderful Kirtana on Rama, saying that Rama is so Mahan, so great, because he has got 32 qualities. 32 గుణములు కలిగిన రాముని సేవింతురారే అని త్యాగరాజుని కీర్తన చేస్తారు. అట్లా ఇక్కడ కూడా ప్రహ్లాదుడు 32 గుణాలతో భాసమానం అవుతున్నాడు. ఇంకా మోర్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ గుణాస్ ఆర్ గుడ్, యాక్చువల్లీ 36 గుణాస్ ఆర్ దేర్. జాతకాలు కంపేర్ చేసేటప్పుడు మ్యాన్ అండ్ గర్ల్, బాయ్ అండ్ గర్ల్, ఈ అస్ట్రాలజర్స్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే దే ట్రై టు లుక్ అట్ ది గుణ సంపద, టాలీయింగ్ ది గుణ, టాలీయింగ్ ది నాడి, టాలీయింగ్ ది నక్షత్ర, టాలీయింగ్ ది గ్రహాధిపతి. సో మచ్ కన్సిడరేషన్ ఇస్ దేర్ బిఫోర్ దే టిక్ ది 2 horoscopes టు గో ఇన్ మ్యారేజ్ ఫర్ 100 years. లేదు అంటే డిస్కార్డ్ చేస్తారు. చాలా కష్టం. అందుకే చాలా మంది జాతకాలు బాయ్ అండ్ గర్ల్ don't take to astrologers. They just entertain the wedlock any place they want. They only print their invitations and give. After 1 or 2, 3 years, they dislike each other. They go to court to get divorce. Enni rakal divorce lepotunnayante because the children are taking independent stand. Kamalaji, therefore, the parents have not got scope for say on that. Therefore, atakakunda Mahad Upasakaha, he is not only Mahat with gunas, he is a great devotee of Narayana. Because Prahlada is such a great devotee that Narayana has taken outsourcing, got out of jurisdiction and protected him in many manners. So, but ultimately when Prahlada did not die, and one day he will ask, hey, why, who is that Narayana? What is the strength for you? Kim te balam? అని అడుగుతాడు తండ్రి కొడుకును. కిం తే బలం? దెన్ Prahlada immediately answers, Narayano me balam. Narayana tappana, not Hiranyakasipu my balam. Actually, Hiranyakashipu expected that he will talk about the father. No, he says, Narayana me balam antadu. Then Darsaya kaha saha Narayana mama satru. Where is that Narayana? Show me. Is he in this hall? Is he in this pillar? Say, yes. Daniki ఆయన అంటాడు ఇందు గలడందు లేడని సందేహము వలదు చక్రీ సరోపగతుండు. Then he hit the pillar and there came when he hit the pillar, there was a terrible sound. First sound came, then Narasimha Swami came. Therefore, Bhadram Karne Visrunyavadevaha. What is there at first sound? Then the form. Therefore, we have to give up a form and name to go to moksham. Nama rupe vihaya anyatra gacchati brahmalokam sagacchati anta. Emi నామాన్ని పేరును నా పేరును రూపాన్ని వదిలేస్తే అప్పుడు మనం అవుతాము. అప్పుడు మనకు బ్రహ్మలోకం పోవడానికి ఎలిజిబిలిటీ స్కోప్ వస్తుంది అంటాడు. నామరూపం నామరూపే విహాయ అన్యలోకం గచ్చతి అని అట్లా ఇక్కడ కూడా. సో Hiranyakashipu asked him, where is that fellow? Show me. So ultimately, Prahalada makes the prayer to Narasimha, to Narayana, to appear and please the desire of his father. At least as being born as a son, he must get redeemed of the Pitru Runam. Tandri Runamana తీర్చుకుందాం అనుకొని అప్పుడు అయ్యా పరమాత్మ విష్ణు కనిపించరా అంటే అప్పుడు నరసింహావతారంలో ఉంటాడు. And therefore, a Narasimha Swami in 240 sloka tells like this. Yamani Asinaha Paryatan Asnan Sayana Prapivan Suhan Nanu Sandadhayetani Govinda Parirambhitaha. Govinda, Govinda, Govinda అనే మా పేరుతో కూర్చున్నప్పుడు, while sitting, Paryatan while roaming, and Asnan while eating your food, anything, Shayanaha while being sleeping when you are horizontal to the ground, or Prapiban when you are drinking water, drinking juice, drinking whatever enjoyment you are having, and Bruvan whenever you talk, every word, every talk after or before, say Krishnayana Bharate. You remember Purandaradasa who says Krishnayana Bharate. Before and after and during, please repeat Krishna Sabdam. So, Nidra poye mundu Krishna anu, Nidra poyetappudu Krishna anuko, Nidra lechetappudu Krishna anuko. So, Krishna ayana Kirtana enta bagundante, meer vellandi Purandaradasiki or type in Google to listen to the record in the YouTube, Krishna ayana Bharate song by Purandaradasa. You will enjoy how many conditions he has given, whereat you will be always having the Govinda Namasmarana. Even in Venkatramana Swami also, Nura Etu, Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. Because Go means human beings. Go means knowledge. Go means trees and plants and rivers. So the Go Shabda is all sweeping Vedas. So he Vindati, protect chestadayana. Kabatti atuvanti Paramatmuni yokka పేరును ఏం చేయాలి? పరిరంభిత. Pariramba means embracing. You should embrace the Govinda Nama too much, so that you, and while embracing in your mouth, in mentally, maybe your actions different, whether you are sitting or roaming or eating or sleeping or lying horizontal or drinking or talking or any action you are doing. The same thing is there in Lakshmi Narasimha Sahasranamam. Ultimately, in the last portions of the Sahasranamam, you see, there is a Gachan, Tishtan, Swapan, Dhyayan, Dhavan, and Khadan, and Asnan, Nrisimheti, Sadasmaran antaru. So, ఎవడైతే నృసింహ 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 అని కడా వరకు చెప్పుకుంటూ ఉంటాడో, at all actions, at all time, there is nothing that is harmful or detrimental to him, will get moksha. And Nrisimha mantradanyatra na anya mantraha vidyate antadu. And even Purandaradasa also says, Narasimha mantra vandu idra saku sakala mantragadu adaralli nimidide. So Allah, all mantras are there, clubbed in the Narasimha mantram, and therefore he says Narasimha mantra ondu iddare saku anta Purandaradasaru Narasimha Swami. That's why even Raghavendra Swami also has got Narasimha Swami at the top of the Vrindavanam. Vayu Devaru Taravata Narasimha Swami. Vayu and Vishnu, they are almost identical like that. So Narasimha Swami is that. Here Govinda Pararambitaha Nanu Sandhandha. So I think he goes on telling, and ultimately in the 242 Tasmin Mahabhagavate Mahathabhagavate Mahatmani Hiranyakasipuhu Rajan Akarod Agamatmaje. So in spite of such a devoted son, dedicated son to Narayana, what did Hiranyakasipu did? Hiranyakasipu has harmed X, Y, Z. Everybody he harmed. He gave maximum. Hiranyakasipu on that kind of pain providing, harming, attempt to murder and kill his own son was the highest sin that Hiranyakasipu did it. That's why Hiranyakasipu Rajan Agham Atmaje Akarotu. Atmaje Tanna Koduku Midane Papam. Normally, no father and mother would kill their own sons. Son might kill the father like Kamsa or any other fellow like Aurangzeb or Muhammad bin Tughlaq or some such people. They don't care their parents. They want care their property. Amma vaddu, amma asti kavali. Nanna vaddu, nanna asti kavali. That is the lokam going on. But what our scriptures tell you, no, don't go for Muda Jahiti Dhanagama Drishnam. Bhajagovinda Stotram says that don't, hey Muda, don't do that. And then 21st we have got all that. So I think I can conclude here by saying that care Govinda more, do less papam, and get happiness. This is the solution for all sorts of mundane problems which our Paramatma or Maharshi, Sukha Maharshi in Bhagavatam proposes, establishes and concludes. I stop here. Om Swasti Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu.
Om Swasti